How to sign up on Obligr platform. Type obligr.com on your browser. Obligr homepage will open. Find Register Now button. Click on Register Now. A new registration page will open. Now enter your full name. Enter your username in alphabet only. Enter your email address. Enter your 10-digit mobile number. Now click on Create My Free Account. Now check your email and mobile number for password. Go to Login page now for login your account. Enter your username. Enter your password. Click on Login. Awesome, you are registered on Obligr platform. Now check next video for further use. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.